I'll get the tree.
No, 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 you're gonna sink, bro. Yo, he's sunk, man.
And I'm pissing.
Oh, I ain't filming that.
Yeah, boy.
Nice, man.
First time? Is it your first time?
You're gonna watch him fall in front of you.
Fall there? I fall in these things, man.
How do I not fall? You just ride straight though. That's all you gotta do.
You just like hold it and you apply pressure that way so your feet is stuck.
Yeah.
And you don't look back.
Don't look back.
Pulling yourself with your arms get tired. Let it sit in your leg. Like that, yep. And then like this. I'll put it in here and just let it pull from your leg. Step back, lean back. That's it.
Nice, buddy. Thank you so much.
That's right, just go around him.
Perfect.
That's okay.
Don't worry. Next one. You got it. Do this
Last
earlier.
time slept 35 hours ago.
Man,
Love you all.
you're gonna sleep well tonight.
I hope.
If you survive.
I'll get some powder.
Alright, say bye to your board. Oh!
You catch that
I'll mute that.
on the picture.
Yeah.
Mute part in the picture.
Made out of what?
Out of my mother's vagina.
Oh!
Round one. Finish him!
Right here? I think so. Yeah.
Yeah. Cliff jumping.
Yeah, buddy. Woohoo! Pow to pow, man.